Hello Toastmasters. In this short video, I want to talk a bit about the camera angle. Whether you use your mobile or a laptop, the camera angle becomes very important to give a very good view of the speaker to the audience and vice versa. Right? So to help me in this, I have invited a friend of mine who will be appearing on video right in a minute. Okay, so you have another Hemant Jain joining in from the mobile phone. Okay, so just to create that contrast and to show you what I mean by it. So right now when you're looking at me at this particular screen, what you see is my laptop looking straight at me. And in many ways, what I've attained is that this is my eye level and this goes straight to the camera. So I am keeping the camera of my laptop at my eye level when I'm talking to you while I am speaking. Okay. If I were to deliver my speech standing, which is what is required in the contest, here is how it goes. See, now the camera is at my chest level and still it works beautifully. If I were to raise my laptop a couple of inches or a little bit above, I would have the camera right at my eye level, and that would also create a very good visual aspect. Yes, I am back. And now what I've done is I've raised my camera even further so that now I am at eye level with my camera. Right? The whole laptop I have lifted up. I've placed a box, an additional box where my camera, where my laptop was supposed to be, so as to give the best appearance when I'm giving a speech standing. This would be ideal using a laptop. Now let's talk about what happens when I suddenly use a mobile phone or a laptop which is lying at a lower level. Okay, so let's go back to the previous one. Okay, so I've removed the extra box and now I am back to my camera at my sitting level. So what I'm going to do right now is change my view to gallery view so that I have got both Hemant and Hemant visible, and let's see how the effect would be. So let's say if I start with I'm sitting, right? And now let's focus on the other Hemant, which is joining from my mobile phone. Now my mobile phone is on a stand which is tilted so that it is looking up at me, and now if you as an audience will look at it, it will appear as if I, the speaker, is looking down at you. Okay, so this is still okay where I have the mobile phone at this level, right? Now imagine I am going to deliver the speech standing. Now I'm seriously towering over you, right? It's not a pleasant view to listen to a speaker who's literally speaking down at you. It's not great. The ideal would have been face to face. So even this would have been much better if I was speaking straight at you rather than speaking straight at you at an angle like this. So this angle makes a lot of difference. And how do you get the right angle? Right? The right angle, as I said, would be the camera looking at you directly with the laptop or the device camera at eye level. So just give me a moment while I switch off the other Hemant so that we can focus on one. And we are back. I'm speaking to you with the camera at my eye level, sitting or standing. Always try to maintain that. Now, most people would have either a dining table or a work desk on which they place the laptop, which is pretty much if you're standing at waist level. It won't be much higher than that. So you need to bring the laptop or your device up, and the one way of doing it is to add boxes under it. In this online age and COVID times, we have ordered a lot of things online, and so I'm sure we have a couple of boxes lying around. The way I did it in one of my previous events, and something which I'm doing even now, is to keep boxes on an existing table to raise the level. And while I was standing there, I had added one more box to show you. So let me just share my screen to show you one of the pictures that I clicked during an event we did recently, right? So that's the chair, that's the cupboard you can see behind me, but look at the number of boxes I used to raise the laptop to a level where it was right at my eye level. So in this particular configuration which I had used, I was I was sitting erect on my chair, so that any point in time I am pretty much at the eye level of the camera. And when there was an opportunity and I had to stand, the camera level was pretty much within this zone, right? A little above my chest level and within my head level. This ensured that whether I was sitting or whether I was standing, the camera was in a direction that I had to look straight at a camera rather than looking down or looking up, right? Now this one change can bring a significant difference in the way your audience perceives you, right? You might want to just do a recording of your own speech on your mobile camera kept on a table, and a mobile camera which is directly facing you at eye level, and you will yourself see the difference, right? And then observe yourself and see how you feel differently, right? So while it may not impact your scores directly, the overall packaging of your speech changes, the overall view of your speech changes, and somewhere it may lead to a lower marking, or in general a not so great impact on the audience. So this is another message which I wanted to give. Your camera, whether it's your mobile or your laptop, should be at your eye level, so that you look straight at your audience rather than looking down or looking up to them. With that message, over and out. See you around. All the best for your contests.